Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this website builder called Jimdo. So let's get started. Jimdo is a website builder designed for individual and small business seeking a straightforward ways to establish online presence with the AI driven setup and user-friendly interface. Jimdo offers a range of features suitable for basic website and a small online store. And here are the key features about this platform that makes it stand out compared to other website builder website competitors. So one of these best features are listed below, which is an AI powered website creation together with the drag and drop editor option, which is part of these key features. It also comes with a responsive template with a basic SEO tools and a e-commerce capabilities, which help Jimdo to support simple online stores, allowing users to sell physical products. Features like product page, payment integration with PayPal, Square, and a basic inventory management. However, it's like advanced e-commerce features like digital product sales and a comprehensive inventory tracking. Now, talking about the price plan, it comes with a free plan, a start plan, a grow plan, and unlimited plan. Talking about the free plan, which comes with talking about the free plan, which comes with a basic website with video branding, and it starts with a custom domain with ad-free and storage and a bandwidth, together with a 10 gig and a 5 gig storage bandwidth. Now, talking about the Grow plan, it has about a priority support and a bandwidth, and the unlimited, which has a storage and a battery professional design review and a premium support. So that's it. You can simply get back to the website to review the price plan and to decide which plan would be a better option for your website. Now, talking about the pros and cons, it is good to understand the good side and the bad side of a particular platform to help you decide if the platform would be a better option for you. So, talking about the pro side, which is the good side of this platform, it is very easy to use. It is also affordable in pricing. The mobile responsive design is very okay with a quick startup. Now, talking about the downside, which is the limited customization, key-based commerce features, and the SEO limitation and annual billing only. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website.